Hey there, we're out checking out our plants today. We're checking on our High Country Gardens Jumbo Waterwise Pre-planned Garden for the West Coast, and here are the plants right here. Our common yarrow here, this is actually still blooming. Isn't that great? It's beautiful. We're really surprised to see it blooming, and then right next to it is the Artemisia, and this is still going strong. It's a big surprise to us with all the cold temperatures and on and off snowstorms that we've been having. So this is really cool to see. We're really surprised, and it makes us really happy to see it still going. And then over here, you can see there's some Coreopsis. It's just starting to peter out now. It's done flowering, and you can see some old blooms in here, but it's starting to stop its flowering because of really cold temperatures. We've got some sage over here, and it's pretty much done. You can see the crown of the plant. There's still some growth. We'll cut all this back and get this mulched, make sure it's really nicely insulated for the coming winter months. And again, look at this. There's that yarrow. Still blooming, still going strong.